Hey, this is Christy. It's Yoga Mouse Studio. I want to talk today about side twists. You're going to come flat onto your back. Arms reach out, shoulder height, palms face up. It's more than a flip of the palms. It's a rotation of the elbows and the armpits. Get your body down. Option for your knees. They can be together on the floor. They can be wider than your hips. So from here, I pick the wide variation and I let my knees fall off to the right, wide. The left arm, if your knees are at the right, have the option to go up and overhead, resting on the floor above you. The left rib cage works its way toward the ground. Bring the knees back to center, arms back to a T, and switch it up. When you're finished, you can hug it in, rock to a side,